In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Swift wire with Wise in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, ensuring your funds are transferred smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're new to Wise or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you manage your international transfers with ease. Let's start by logging into your Wise account. You can access Wise through their app or website, whichever you find more convenient. Make sure your account credentials are secure and easily accessible. Once you're inside, you're ready to begin the transfer process. Next, you'll want to tap on the Send option. This is where you'll input the amount of money you are planning to send. Be sure to select the correct recipient currency. This step is crucial as it determines the exchange rate and final amount received by your recipient. Double checking the currency details here can save time and prevent complications later. Now, you'll need to add your recipient's bank details. This includes their SWIFT or BIC code, which is a unique identifier for banks. Having accurate information is imperative, so be sure everything is entered correctly. If you're unsure, it's always a good idea to confirm these details with your recipient to avoid any transfer delays. After entering the recipient's bank details, you can choose your preferred payment method, which in this case is the wire transfer, often referred to as SWIFT. This option might be labeled differently due to updates or regional adjustments, but SWIFT will always be indicated for easy recognition. Selecting this option ensures that your transaction is processed through the international banking network efficiently. Following this, you'll receive Wise's banking details. Here's where you use your own bank to transfer the money into Wise's account. It's important to use the provided details from Wise to ensure your funds are correctly matched to your transaction. Pay close attention during this step to avoid mixing up reference numbers or account information. Your local bank process might vary, so follow their instructions closely when transferring the funds. Wise takes over once your money reaches them. They'll convert your currency at the real exchange rate and proceed to send it to your recipient. Rest assured, Wise handles conversions at competitive rates, so your recipient will receive a fair amount. They make international transfers easier and faster, taking away a lot of the usual stress. Finally, your transfer will typically complete within 1 to 5 business days. This time frame can vary depending on the recipient's bank and any intermediary banks involved. Keep an eye on your transaction history within the Wise app or website for status updates and confirmations. And there you have it, you've just learned how to make a Swift wire with Wise, ensuring your international transfers are handled swiftly and reliably. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and guides.